Hey everyone, this is Bola Shokumbi. I'm the founder and CEO of Clever Girl Finance, and I'm also the author of the Clever Girl Finance book series. Welcome to Clever Girl Finance TV. So you've probably heard the saying that it is better to be safe than sorry, and that saying rings true, especially when it comes to having rental insurance. And this is a question I get asked all the time. I get asked about rental insurance pretty often. And so in today's video, I'm going to talk about what rental insurance is, what it covers, and how it can protect you if something were to happen. Before we get into this video, I'd love for you to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel because we are working to grow the Clever Girl Finance platform. Tell all your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance and follow us on Instagram at Clever Girl Finance. You can also stop by our website at clevergirlfinance.com to check out our 30+ completely free courses to help you on your financial wellness journey. Okay, let's get into this video. So first of all, what is renter's insurance and why is it important? Well, renter's insurance is a type of policy that can protect your personal belongings in a rental property if they were to get destroyed or stolen. And this can save you high costs of repairs or replacements. And the great thing about renter's insurance is that it is extremely affordable, with policies starting from $10 to $20 a month. That said, let's go over some of the common questions I get about renter's insurance. Question number one, does my landlord's property policy cover my personal belongings? And the answer to that question is no. Your landlord's policy covers their property, their structure, and does not have anything to do with your personal belongings. And so you need to make sure that you have your own belongings secure, and renter's insurance can help you do that. Question number two, does my roommate's renter's insurance policy cover me? And the answer is it depends, right? If their policy does not explicitly say that it covers roommates, then it does not cover you. And so you want to make sure. Question number three, does renter's insurance cover high value items? And this is a really important question because the answer is, again, it depends. Some policies do and some policies don't. And so you want to read the fine print of your renter's insurance policy to determine if that policy covers high value items or if you will need to get supplemental insurance to cover your high value items. Question four, what specifically can renter's insurance cover? So I'm going to share some key things that renter's insurance can cover, and you can always inquire with your policy provider about other coverage options and supplemental insurance as well. So renter's insurance can cover the theft of your belongings, fire and smoke damage, water damage, electrical surge damage, falling objects and glass damage, for example, from storms or falling trees, automobile or aircraft crashes into your apartment, which is a rarity, so into your apartment or your rental property, extreme events like natural disasters or vandalism, pet incidents, for example, medical expenses if your pet injures someone else, and much more. And depending on your policy or your policy provider, you could also have a variety of other coverage options as well. So is renter's insurance worth it? And the answer is yes, absolutely. However, it is important to make sure that you have the right amount of coverage and you don't make assumptions about what is covered. So be sure to read the fine print and ask your policy provider questions about the coverage they are providing for you. That said, you also want to make sure that you are getting the right coverage at the best rates. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is to take an assessment of your belongings. Look through all of your things and determine what you have that is of value so that you know you need to include those items within your renter's insurance policy. It could be small things like jewelry, it could be bigger things like televisions or furniture. Anything that has value, you want to make sure is covered in your policy. And the second thing you want to do is compare rental insurance quotes. Policies can start from $10. I've even heard of policies starting at $5 a month. And so you want to explore your different options. Keep in mind that cheapest might not always be best. It's important, as I've mentioned earlier, to determine what the coverage options are and to make sure that your items are fully covered with your renter's insurance policy. Renting a place, especially if it's your first place, can be exciting. You get your own space, you get to decorate it how you want, but it's also really important not to forget to protect your valuables. So I definitely want you to consider renter's insurance if you do not already have it. So do you have renter's insurance? Are you thinking about it? Why haven't you gotten it yet? Share in the comments below. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please hit the like button, tell your best girlfriends about Clever Girl Finance, and subscribe to this channel. And be sure to follow us on Instagram at Clever Girl Finance, and stop by the clevergirlfinance.com website to check out our over 30+ completely free courses, and check out the Clever Girls Know podcast that you can find everywhere you listen to your podcast episodes. I'll talk to you guys next time.